Hi everyone, welcome to Mostar in Bosnia and Herzegovina. So this is just a very quick tour of some of the Old Town. So this street here is actually to the east of the river Neretva, which is the river that runs through the entire city. So the east side of the Mostar Bridge. So Mostar is one of the most visited cities in the entire country, and you can probably see why from the video. It's a beautiful city, lovely cobbled streets, Ottoman style buildings and architecture, and all these lovely little souvenir shops where you can buy gifts and items. Lots of bars, cafes and restaurants as well in the city, and it's a very affordable city as well. Accommodation, food, drinks, it's a very affordable city. So Mostar is a fantastic place to come for a couple of days. Please do drop a like to the video as well. Click the like button right now. It really does help the channel out. And also please subscribe to the channel as well. It really is much appreciated if you can subscribe and click that like button right now. Also do check out the description to the video as well. To click onto the description, I have some links to some products and travel deals that you may be interested in purchasing. So please do that right now. As you can see, we're coming up to the river Neretva here. And as you'll see right now, there is the Mostar Bridge, the famous Mostar Bridge. So hopefully you're enjoying this video, this quick tour of the Old Town. Again, do drop a like if you are enjoying the video, and I definitely recommend that you visit Mostar.